The Hacksnicks Vigoroot balcony garden is perfect for those who want to grow fresh fruit and vegetables but only have a small space. Ideal for balconies, roof terraces and patios, the compact footprint and elegant curved top will look good wherever you position it. With 4 times the space of an ordinary planter, it maximises your growing area. Perfect for plants such as bush tomatoes, strawberries, herbs and salads. The Hacksnicks Vigoroot balcony garden comes neatly packaged and the steel frame is quick and easy to assemble. Simply slide the trough fabric on, fit the frame together and tighten the screws. Place the Vigoroot balcony garden in position, and if it's in an exposed or windy area, you can fix it to the wall using the 2 screws and rule plugs provided. Fill the 4 Vigoroot fabric troughs with compost and you are ready to plant. Seeds can be sown directly into the troughs or use runners or plug plants from your garden centre to get a head start. The troughs are designed to be narrow and well spaced to make watering easy and to allow light to reach all of the plants. The planter troughs are made from Vigoroot, an air pruning fabric designed to give a super healthy root system and excellent drainage, allowing you to grow a wide variety of container veg, salads and herbs in a small space. Air pruned roots give stronger, healthier plants that produce more abundant crops. The Hacksnicks Vigoroot balcony garden is perfect for anyone who wants to grow fresh fruit and veg but doesn't have access to a garden. It helps you to grow a really impressive amount of produce in a very small space, and it is the ultimate planter for the urban gardener to grow food for their own table within a short stroll of their kitchen.